guys, I'm Edima and welcome back to my channel. So first things first, if you hear any background noise or the fan noise is bothering you, please I'm sorry for that, because we can't stay here without a fan or an AC. It's very hot here right now, and it's in the evening time, but still it's very hot. And the second thing is, this video is about skincare and makeup summer essentials, or summer skincare and makeup essentials you all can say. So I have many skincare and makeup products which are useful for summer, because in summers it's very hot, and I don't know, these summers are really very hot. So I have some makeup products as well as skincare products which will be helpful for you. So without any further ado, let's get on to the video. So let's start with some skincare. So for skincare I have this. So this is, if you all don't know, this is the mixture of my Nykaa sheet mask, serum and rose water. I mix both of this together and then I spray it all over my face, because it gets very boring and it's very time consuming if you put on the sheet mask. But if you have time to pamper yourself and pamper your skin, then you can use the sheet mask directly on your skin, but I use it this way. So this is the rose water and sheet mask serum, the mixture of both. So first I apply this on my skin, and it feels very hydrating because it's the serum and the rose water, both are very hydrating, and this gives kind of a glow to your skin, if you know what I mean. So this is my first product, and the second product I have here are moisturizers. So I have two moisturizers with me. So the first one is the Mamaearth oil free face moisturizer with apple cider vinegar. So I use this for my morning skincare routine, and it's very helpful for my skin. So I use it in the morning. Sometimes I use it before my makeup, but before my makeup I mostly use the Himalayas moisturizer, and this is the second recommendation for my moisturizers. And as you all know, this is my all-time favorite moisturizer. I always use it before my makeup or under my foundation. So both of this moisturizer, you should definitely try this one. I am still testing out this moisturizer, but it works fine on my skin. So the third product I have here is sunscreen, and this is the Nature's Essence Sunburn Sunscreen Lotion, and this is SPF 40 with almond and geranium oil. So a sunscreen is a must in summers, because you don't want to get tan and you don't want your skin to go through the harsh rays of sun. So I have this sunscreen, but it is of SPF 40, but you all should definitely use the sunscreen which has SPF 50 in it, because SPF 50 is the best sunscreen SPF. So you should definitely buy the sunscreen with SPF 50 in it. And my my second last skincare product I have here are these lip balms. Actually these are not skincare, this is kind of a lip care. So in summers I mostly need lip balms, and I use both of these. So the first one is the Joy lip balm in the variant strawberry, and I keep on reapplying this lip balms every day. I use it every day. And the second one is the Himalayas Cocoa Butter lip balm. So lip balms are also a must in summers, not only summers but in every season. So let's get on to makeup, but I have one skincare product in the makeup too. You'll know why. So for makeup, you shouldn't get or you shouldn't do like a thick layer of makeup, or even you shouldn't use a foundation. You should always go for a BB cream, but right now I don't have any BB cream. So what I do is, what I personally like to use it, I mix my foundation. This is the Maybelline's foundation and my all-time favorite foundation. So I mix this foundation with the Good Vibes Grapeseed Skin Eliminating Face Serum, and it kind of gives me like a BB cream kind of a texture. It becomes very sheer. So if you want to use foundation on your face, don't use like medium coverage or full coverage foundations. Go for sheer coverage foundations if you want to use foundation. And if you don't have BB cream or don't like to use BB cream, so you should try this hack. It will be useful for you. So the next thing is, I have eyebrow product. So many people like to do their eyebrows because their eyebrows are like thin and everything. So this is the eyebrow product I have. So some people can't live without eyebrow products, so I included this in this video. So the next I like to use in summers is the eyeliner. So I don't like to go for like heavy makeup in summers, and I don't like to use heavy thing on my eyes. So I don't use any eyeshadow. But if you like to use and if you want to use any eyeshadow, you can use like one shade eyeshadow, if you know what I mean. So if you want to apply eyeshadow and if you want your eyeshadow to match to your clothes, or if you want to like do like a fun kind of an eyeshadow in summers, so what you can do is, y'all can pop in bright colors if you all want. So if you all want to go for like fun colors, you can go for bright purple, yellow, orange, that kind of colors, but only single eyeshadow. So I don't like to use, so I didn't include eyeshadow into this video. So this is the eyeliner I like to use because I can't go without eyeliner and lipstick. So the next product I have here is mascara. So I use this Maybelline's mascara, and this is a washable mascara. I think that you should go for a waterproof mascara in summers, but I still use this washable mascara anyways. So if you like, you can use the washable one or the waterproof one, whatever is comfortable with you all. And the last product I have is lipstick or lip product. So I like to use like not too bright colors. I like to keep my lip color like minimal. Today also I don't have any makeup on my face. I only have a lipstick, and this is the if I'm not wrong, this is the lip creme by Miss Claire. I exactly don't know the shade number, but I think it's 550 if I'm not wrong. So I like to use like nude colors, or you all can say like light colors on my lips during summers. But if you are attending like any function or everything, you all can use bright colors, because you don't use makeup in summers on daily basis. But if I am shooting, I use bright colors because I have to shoot. So this is the lip cushion by Nykaa, and this is the Wonder Puff cushion lipstick in the shade Dream On. So this is my last product. I just like to keep my makeup minimal if I am going out, okay, or if even if I don't feel like wearing makeup, if I am going to a function in summers, what I do is I just pop on the liner and mascara and a lipstick, only these three products and nothing else, because in summers it's very hot and you keep on sweating, so eventually your makeup will come off, so it's better to prevent those. And yeah, that is all for my video today, and if you like this summer essentials, please comment me down in the comment box below that if you all want me to make such more videos. I will definitely try to. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press on the bell icon so that you will all get notified every time I post a new video. Follow me on my Instagram, follow the Siva Style Store, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.